Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn some of the amazing shortcuts or tricks from the chapter Binomial Theorem. Trick number 1. To find the sum of the coefficients of all the terms in the expansion of ax plus by to the power of n. Any expression of this form ax plus by to the power of n. To find the sum of all the coefficients, we just need to calculate the sum of all the coefficients of this form a plus b to the power of n. If there are three terms like ax plus by plus cz to the power of n, find the sum of all the coefficients here, that is a plus b plus c to the power of n. Find the power to the given power itself to the power of n. For example, find the sum of all the coefficients of all the terms in the expansion of 45x minus 49 to the power of 4. These are the options given. 4 options are given here. Okay, so from the given expression 45x minus 49, we can calculate a and b. Here this will be our a and this will be our b. That is a is equal to 45 here and b is equal to negative 49. Now calculate a plus b to the power of n. That is a plus b to the power of n is equal to 45 minus 49 to the power of n. Here n is equal to, from the expression we can see n is equal to 4. That is equal to 45 minus 49 means that is minus 4 to the power of 4. That is equal to negative 4 to the power of 4 means that is 256. Option number D, 256 will be the correct answer. Question number 2. The sum of the coefficients of all the terms in the expansion of 1 minus 3x plus x squared to the power of 10. These are the options given to 1, minus 1 and minus 2. From the given expression, we can write a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. So c is equal to 1 and n is equal to 10. Now calculate a plus b plus c to the power of n. That is a plus b plus c to the power of n is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 1 to the power of 10. That is equal to minus 1 to the power of 10. That is equal to 1. That is option number B is the correct answer. Third question. Sum of all the coefficients in the expansion of 2x plus 3y plus 4z to the power of 20. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 4. Now and n is equal to 20. Now to find the sum of all the coefficients of this expansion, we just need to calculate a plus b plus c to the power of n. That is a plus b plus c to the power of n is equal to a is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 to the power of n means that is 20. That is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9, 9 to the power of 20. That is option number D will be the correct answer. Question number 4. In the expansion of 1 plus x to the power of 50, sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x is dash. These are the options given. From the given expression 1 plus x to the power of 50, we have a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 and n is equal to the power 50. Therefore, sum of the coefficients of all the powers of x. First we can calculate the sum of coefficients of all the powers of x. All the powers of x is equal to a plus b to the power of n. That is equal to a is 1, b is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 to the power of n is 50. So 2 to the power of 50. Here the question is to find the sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x. Therefore, sum of the coefficients of odd powers of x is equal to, now only odd powers means it is just a half of the sum of all the coefficients. So that is equal to, we got 2 raised to 50 as the sum of the coefficients. So it is 2 raised to 50 by 2. Now 2 raised to 50 by 2 means it is 2 raised to 49. So 2 raised to 49 from the given option, option number B is the correct answer. Question number 5. The sum of the coefficients of the polynomial 1 plus x minus 3x squared to the power of 2163 is p. Then what is modulus of p? So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to negative 3. And n is equal to 2163. Now first to calculate a plus b plus c to the power of n. A plus b plus c to the power of n is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 3 to the power of 2163. That is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 3 means it is negative 1 to the power of 2163. That is equal to negative 1 itself. So this is equal to give P. It is given, it is P. Now calculate mod P. Modulus of P is equal to modulus of minus 1. That is equal to 1 itself. Trick number 2. To find the term independent of x of this form, a x to the power of p plus r by b x to the power of q whole to the power of n, where this r represent constant or anything, and to find the term independent of x, calculate tr plus 1 or the r plus 1th term, where r denote np divided by p plus q, where p and q are the powers of x. For example, find the term independent of x of 3x squared by 2 minus 1 by 3x whole to the power of 6. These are the options given. So to find the term independent of x, we need to calculate tr plus 1 or the r plus 1 the term, where r is equal to np divided by p plus q. That's equal to n is equal to 6 here, 6 into, and p means the power of x here. From the expression we can see the power of x is 2, so we'll write 6 into 2. And calculate q by comparing the power of x in the denominator, that is 2 plus the value of q here is 1, so 2 plus 1, that's equal to 6 2s are 12 by 3, that's equal to 4. And therefore tr plus 1 means that is a 4 plus 1, that is equal to 5th term. Therefore option A is the correct answer. With continuous practice, you can develop your own shortcuts. If you did not watch my other videos of JEE tips and tricks, I will add here in the I button. Let's try another example. Find the term independent of root x by root 3 plus root 3 by 2x square whole to the power of 10. So the term independent of x will be tr plus 1. Therefore, first calculate r. R is equal to np divided by p plus q. That is equal to n is equal to 10 here. So 10 into, here first term is root x. Root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. So p is equal to 1 by 2 divided by p plus q. That is 1 by 2 plus value of q means 2 here. That is equal to, just to simplify here, 10 into half means that is equal to 5. Therefore 5 divided by 2 plus half means it is 2 and a half, that is 5 by 2. So we'll write 5 by 2 in the denominator. Now cancel 5 and 5. So final answer is equal to only 2. That is equal to 2. Therefore we got the value of r. Now the term independent of x means that is tr plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, that is a third term.